Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to install the FITCAMX OEM-styled dashcam in this Skoda Kodiaq. In this video we'll go through the installation, take a look at the app and test the video quality. FITCAMX provided this dashcam for this review. As always, all opinions are on my own. Before we start the unboxing, I'd like to show you that FITCAMX offers dashcams for many different car models. If you are interested, you'll find my affiliate link in the description, which gives you an automatic 8% discount. But now, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the small box you will find a trim removal tool, a T-cable adapter for the dashcam and a USB SD card adapter. In the larger box you will find the front dashcam, the rear dashcam and a smartphone mount for the windshield. The front dashcam replaces the original rain sensor cover, giving it a clean OEM look. It features a 4K camera, a 170-degree field of view, built-in Wi-Fi and comes with a 64GB SD card. Smartphone mount features a flexible arm. The rear dashcam records in 1080p. Now let's start with the installation. First, remove the rain sensor housing. Release the clips on both sides and then pull the housing downwards. Remove the rear view mirror to make it easier to disconnect the rain sensor cable. Now unplug the rain sensor cable. Connect the T-cable adapter. Reinstall the rear view mirror and push the connector back into the place. To install the dashcam, we first have to remove this little cover. This part is a little tricky. Carefully bend the housing outward, Then push it over the rear mirror with a little force. Now connect the dashcam's power cable to the T-cable adapter. If you're installing the rear camera as well, connect its cable and route it into the headliner. Now install the cover, followed by the dashcam itself. Finally, snap the small cover back into place. The front dashcam is now fully installed. While installing the rear dashcam in my Skoda Kodiaq, I ran into a few problems. I wasn't able to route the cable invisibly without risking damaging the interior trim. The main issue was the extremely tight B and C pillar trim, which left almost no space for the cable. Because of this, I decided not to permanently install the rear camera. However, to demonstrate its image quality, I temporarily mount it for this video. So before buying, I recommend checking whether the cable can be routed easily in your car. Connecting the dashcam to your smartphone is very easy. Search for the FITCAMX in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and install it. Turn the ignition on so the dashcam powers up. Then simply follow the instructions in the app. Select the dashcam's Wi-Fi network. The default password is 12345678. Once connected, you will see the live camera view in the app. You can also view the recorded videos on your smartphone or on your PC using the included USB SD card adapter. Here are a few sample clips recorded during the day and at night. In my opinion, the image quality is very good for a dashcam. You can clearly see what's happening, and license plates are easy to read when viewed on a computer. Overall, I really like the clean OEM look and the easy app setup. Apart from the rear camera installation in the Skoda Kodiaq, I had a positive experience with the FITCAMX dashcam. So if you're interested in the dashcam, you will find my affiliate link in the description. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a like and a comment. See you in the next one.